Students, I, your teacher, Mrs. Patul Sabuwala, will be doing maths starting with chapter number 11, that is statistic. Now, statistic, we are going to study in this chapter, and whatever you have studied in your chapter numbers in your last year, that is in standard 7, that we are going to just recall it. The number of pages of a book Ninad read for 5 consecutive days were 60, second day 50, third day 54, fourth day 46, and fifth day is 50. Find the average number of pages he read every day. So, average is equal to what? The sum of all the scores. That means how many pages he read in 5 days. We are going to sum up all upon the total number of score, that is in how many days he completed. That is number 5. Okay. So, we are going to solve the sum of all the scores. We are going to take as, on the first day he read 60 pages, on the second day he read 50 pages, on the third day he read 54 pages, and in the fourth day he read 46 pages, and in the fifth day 50 pages. How many total days he took to read this book? How many days? Yes, it is given here 5 consecutive days. So how many days? The number of days, that is 5. Now when we are going to add 60 plus 50 plus 54 plus 46 plus 50, we get the answer as 260 upon 5, because that is the number of days. So when we divide 260 divided by 5, we get the answer as 52. So the average number of pages read daily, it is 52. So average we can take it is at 52 pages he was reading. So what is this average? This average is known as the arithmetical mean, or it is also simply known as means. Let's learn. The number of pages read every day in the above example is a numerical data. The conclusion that Ninad read about 50 pages every day is drawn from the numerical data. In this way, collecting information regarding certain problems or situation, analyzing this information, and after interpreting, drawing conclusion about it is a separate branch of knowledge, and this branch of knowledge is known as the statistic. मतलब अंदाज़ा लगाना कि एक दिन में कितना हो सकता है. So this we are going to learn, that is known as statistic in this particular chapter. Okay, तो हमने इसे assume किया है, and like this way, based on this के एवरेज क्या निकल सकता है उसका, कि एवरी डे कितना पेजेस शायद रीड किया होगा, that is known as statistic. So students will move further. Now the average that we had removed. Now we have seen that the average of 60, 50, 54, 46 and 50 is 52. Average जो हमने निकाला है, that is 52. So this average is also been known as arithmetical mean, या तो सिंपली उनको हम मीन भी कहते हैं हमारी स्टैटिकल लैंग्वेज के अंदर. नाउ टू फाइंड द मीन ऑफ अ न्यूमेरिकल डेटा, वी ऐड ऑल द स्कोर्स इन द डेटा एंड डिवाइड द सम बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्कोर्स. लेट्स स्टडी सम एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द मेथड. ओके, तो हम वही स्टडी करने वाले हैं इन दिस थिंग. तो एरिथमेटिकल मीन क्या होता है? एरिथमेटिकल मीन, एरिथमेटिक मीन कुछ भी नहीं है, इट इज़ सिंपली, उसको मीन भी बोला जाता है और जिसे हम हमारी सिंपल लैंग्वेज में एवरेज भी कहते हैं. सो फॉर द मीन वी हैव डिराइव्ड दिस फॉर्मूला, एंड व्हाट अबाउट द डिटेल ऑफ दिस फॉर्मूला वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद